your first step is to absolutely create your ShareGate Home account. You go to sharegate.com, you click on login, and then you create account. The credentials that you're using to create your ShareGate Home account are independent of your Microsoft account. Right? So you put in your email address and you create a unique password. Once you've logged into ShareGate, you will then need to use your Microsoft credentials in order to use the migration tool or to use management features. This is to ensure that you have the correct permissions to do what needs to be done within the tool. But once you've created your ShareGate Home account, if you go to the top right where the initials are, this is where you can manage your subscription. You will have your license key and you will have useful information like the type of subscription that you have, how many seats are available on your license, and when your subscription expires. If you click onto the user tab, you can see how many seats are assigned and to whom, and you can remove an activation if you need to. If it is that you inadvertently are using 2 seats on the license and you no longer need to, or somebody is no longer part of the migration project, or they're no longer with the company, you can remove them and free up their seat as well. And when you're just getting started, we need to have someone who has that license key in order to connect everything. So if whomever is taking the lead on the project, they'll have the license key, they set up their ShareGate Home account, and they could use this really cool feature to invite users. So this kind of negates the need to share your license key because we'll send them an email that's already linked to it, and they too can come in and create their ShareGate Home account and have access to all of this really useful information. In addition to managing your account, you're able to come in here and customize things like how ShareGate communicates with your end users. So you can come in here and set up your default email address. It's noreply@sharegate.com, but you can customize that so it's one from your own organization that your team owners will recognize. You are also able to set up your monthly digest that you would receive from ShareGate, and this includes things like what activity is being done in your team and by whom. You also have the opportunity to get invitations for our webinars. You can access any of the videos that we do. You can access past recordings from the Ask the Expert. All of this is available to you from the ShareGate Home account.